How to turn off NSFW filter on character AI. Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can turn off the NSFW filter on character AI. For that, you need to open any web browser on your device, and in the search bar you need to type character.ai. Once you type in this keyword, now press the enter button to search it. Within a while, you will be presented with the search results. Here click on this first link that says character.ai. Once you click on this link, you will be redirected to the official page of Character AI. Here once you reach to this page, here you need to scroll down and click on any one of these AI characters to start the chat. Once you click on it, you will be redirected to this page. Here you can start the chat now. In the message box at the bottom, you can type I want to remove or I want to turn off NSFW filter on Character AI. Once you have typed in this keyword, press the enter button. Now it will give you reply message. So by following these steps, you should be able to remove or turn off NSFW filter on Character AI. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.